Just out here, the chickens have been checking out my new truck. Thought I'd show it off here. It's a 2007 F-150. They call the color stone. It's more of a, I don't know, looks kind of a brownish gray. 17-inch rims, 4 full-size doors, which is what I wanted. Boys are getting big. My one son's customized his seat already here. He's got his grenade and handgun there. Lots of room inside. Automatic. They put cup holders everywhere in these things. And it's got a, watch out boys, got a cab on the back, which I will be taking off. Probably sell it on Craigslist. It's a Lear, which is a good name, and the guy's dealership said it was like a $1,900 cap, but to me you lose a lot of versatility when you put a cap on a truck. There's some situations where you need it, but I like having an open bed, so I think I'll take a picture of it while sitting on the truck and get it on Craigslist and see what I can get. I don't even know how much they ask, how much these things go for. Cruise control, air 64,000 miles. I don't put a whole lot of mileage on these trucks, so I really hope that it'll should be a long time before I buy another vehicle. Here's the engine, really big battery, and I really thought it was pretty neat how the air filter changes. It's that easy. Never had one that easy before. Nice and clean, and doesn't have a trailer hitch. I'll probably have to put a trailer hitch on, but overall pretty happy with it. Not happy with that monthly payment, but the old truck, it was just had some major problems developing, some really bad rust underneath of it, and it was a good truck, but I figured it time to move on before it got to be a safety hazard. So here's the new picking truck.